Welcome to Spyder Auto. Today we'll be installing headlights on a 2015 Toyota Tundra. Tools required for this install: handheld ratchet, 8 and 10 mil socket, panel popper, masking tape, and a Phillips screwdriver. Open the hood. I will start by applying masking tape. Repeat the process on the other side. First, we will begin by removing 2 push pins. 1, 2, now we will need to remove 4 10 mil screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that we have removed the push pins and screws, we're able to unseat the top portion of the grill and pull back. We will now remove 2 push pins for the side panel. 1, 2. Now we will unseat the side panel. Start with the bottom, unclip it, work your way to the top. Once that's off, repeat the same process on the other side. We will now remove the headlight by removing 2 10 mil screws on the top, 1 10 mil bolt on the side. Using the panel popper, you will unseat the headlight. Push up and towards you. Now we will disconnect turn signal, disconnect the auto light leveler, high beam, low beam, side marker, and DRL. Using the panel popper, unclip the harness. Once that's off, remove the headlight. Now we remove the headlight on the other side. Once we have the headlight off, checking the manual, we can see that we have the D2 version, OEDRL on the LED bar. So now that we have figured out that we have the D2 version headlight, gonna have to get something soft, cushion, or even a rag to flip the headlight on its face. Let's start by removing the resistor. You're gonna have 3 Phillips screws, 1, 2, 3. Remove the resistor. You're gonna have wires B1 through B7. Disconnect B1 through 7. So referring to our manual, you're gonna locate the D1 connection, disconnect. Once we've done that, we won't be using this wire. Locate A1, A2, and A4 wire. Bring in your new harness. So E1 goes to A1. In this case would be red with red. Now we're going to connect E2 to A2. Now we're going to connect E3 with A4. Now with the remaining A3 wire, we're gonna locate our D4, which is on this harness. Connect those two. Now to locate D2 and D3, as well as C2 and C3, we're gonna connect D3, which is the yellow, to C2, the blue. Connect D2 with C3, so black. Once we have installed the new harness, I'm gonna move it to the side, bring in your OE, headlight, and we're gonna transfer over the auto level. We're gonna use an 8mm, loosen the auto level. Once it's loose enough, you're gonna turn it over clockwise and pull it out. Once it's in this position, go ahead and grab your 8mm again and turn till it comes off. Once that's off, remove the gasket as well. So now, once we're done, remove your OE headlight, set it off to the side, bring in your new headlight where the auto level currently goes, rotate counterclockwise, pull it up a little bit, get your 8mm, when that's off, there's going to be a gasket. You're going to leave that in there. Then you're going to take your auto level from your OE headlight, bring it on over, make sure you align. Use your 8mm. Same thing, gonna turn it counterclockwise. Now you're ready to install onto the vehicle. I'll repeat the same process on the other light. So now that we have installed the new harness, I'm gonna bring our headlight, start from the end. I'm gonna get our side marker, plug it in, make sure you hear that click. Next is high-low beam. Make sure it's snug in there. We'll move on to our auto level. Gonna get our turn signal. And the LED DRL. Once we have them all connected, I'm gonna seat the headlight. I'm gonna reinstall your 2 screws, 1 bolt on the side, 2 screws up top. Now repeat the process on the other side. We're gonna go ahead and install the side trims. Start from the top. Clip these in, work your way to the bottom. Once you hear the little click, you're gonna bring in your push pins. 1, 2. Repeat the same process on the other side. Go ahead and bring in your grill. Align with mounting tabs 1 and 2, 1 and 2 with 1, 2, 1, 2. Now we reinstalled 2 push pins, 1 on each side. 1, 2. Bring in our 4 10mm screws. Remove your masking tape. Now we're ready for function test.